A literature review is a critical and systematic examination of existing published research and scholarly articles relevant to a specific topic or research question. It serves as a foundation for any academic study, helping researchers identify gaps in knowledge, synthesize existing information, and understand the broader context of their work. Google Scholar is a powerful and accessible tool that can significantly aid researchers in conducting a literature review. In this guide, we will explore step-by-step instructions on how to perform an effective literature review using Google Scholar, which is freely available to anyone with an internet connection. Understanding the purpose and scope of your literature review. Before embarking on your literature review journey, it's essential to have a clear understanding of its purpose and scope. Define your research question or topic, and outline the specific objectives of your literature review. Establishing the scope will help you narrow down your search and focus on relevant articles. Accessing Google Scholar. Google Scholar is a specialized search engine that indexes scholarly articles, essays, books, conference papers, and patents. To access it, simply type Google Scholar into the Google search bar, or visit scholar.google.com. Once on the Google Scholar homepage, you can start your search by entering relevant keywords related to your research question. Refining your search terms. To generate accurate and relevant results, consider using appropriate search terms and keywords. Be specific but avoid using too many complex terms in a single search. Utilize synonyms and related terms to expand the scope of your search, and make use of Boolean operators and or not to refine your results. Utilizing advanced search options. Google Scholar offers advanced search options, allowing you to fine-tune your queries. Click on the three horizontal lines in the upper left corner and select Advanced Search to access this feature. Here, you can specify search terms, author names, date ranges, publication sources, and more. Evaluating search results. Once you execute your search, Google Scholar will display a list of relevant articles. Assess the titles and abstracts to determine whether they align with your research objectives. Skim through the articles and discard those that are irrelevant or unrelated. Filtering and sorting. Google Scholar provides various filters on the left sidebar to help you refine your search further. You can filter results by publication year, author, journal, and citation count. Sorting options are also available, allowing you to arrange articles based on relevance, date, or citations. Accessing full texts. While Google Scholar provides abstracts for most articles, accessing the full text can sometimes be challenging, especially for those behind paywalls. Look for links with PDF or full text to access the complete article. Additionally, Google Scholar's related articles feature can lead you to other relevant papers on the same topic. Assessing the credibility of sources. It's crucial to critically evaluate the credibility and reliability of the sources you encounter. Check the author's credentials, the journal's reputation, and the quality of research methodologies employed. Be cautious with articles from predatory journals or sources with biased agendas. Utilizing citations and citation tracking. Google Scholar provides citation counts for each article, indicating the number of times it has been cited by other researchers. This information can help you assess the impact and influence of a particular paper. Citation tracking can also be useful in discovering additional sources that cite the key papers relevant to your research. Managing and organizing references. As you collect relevant articles, it's vital to keep them organized. Use citation management tools like Mendeley, Zotero, or EndNote to store and manage your references. These tools can automatically format your citations and bibliographies, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. Synthesizing and analyzing the literature. Once you have gathered a substantial number of articles, start reading them critically. Summarize key findings, methodologies, and arguments in each article. Look for common themes, patterns, and gaps in the existing literature. Synthesize the information to form a cohesive narrative that supports your research objectives. Writing the literature review. With a comprehensive understanding of the literature, you can begin writing your literature review. Organize it logically, starting with an introduction that outlines the scope and objectives of the review. Group similar articles together under thematic headings and compare and contrast their findings. Conclude your literature review by summarizing the key takeaways and emphasizing the significance of your research. Conclusion. Conducting a literature review using Google Scholar is a valuable and efficient way to explore the existing knowledge base on a specific topic. By employing effective search strategies, critically evaluating sources, and synthesizing the literature, researchers can lay a strong foundation for their own academic endeavors. Remember that while Google Scholar is an excellent starting point, it is essential to explore other academic databases and libraries to ensure a comprehensive literature review.